Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Functionality you can use in many locations. You can attach a photo to an email, or even record a 30-second videogram to send along with your letter. With these popular and convenient services, JPay is using technology to keep you and your friend or relative connected throughout the duration of their incarceration.
Take our lead.
Once you have purchased stamps, you can send emails to the inmate, offender you want. Your emails will be delivered in 1 or 2 business days, but never on weekends or holidays. Not all services are available for all facilities. On the JPay homepage, in the Inmate Offender list, select the inmate offender you want.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Yes, prisoners can, and do, send photos to friends, family members, or anyone else who wants a pic. Smartphones are common in prison, even though they're generally banned, and selfies are actually a thing now. They also send photos through postal mail.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
24 to 48 hours. JPay's email service provides a way for friends and family to write electronic letters to their incarcerated loved ones. Most inmates receive their email within 24 to 48 hours, and many can respond electronically as well.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The photos are taken by a trusted inmate or corrections officer using a digital camera. They generally aren't free, and prisoners are often limited to how many they can buy, usually between 2 and 5 depending on the prison.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.